But I never got to that screen. I did download Super, but I never get...
But download and convert with download helper.
Possibly.
Because this week, download helper has added download and convert, and it wouldn't work for me, and my computer got cooked.
Yes.
What you can do is
shortcut.
download and then convert with Super. That worked for me following.
You should use soft, download it to your PC, because in those cases you have to be connected to the internet. You don't plugins and this kind of things. So it's better to have soft that can do it for you.
Right.
And I don't know if you have any further questions or comments.
No, the one that I managed, the one I was telling you about.
You managed, but without sound.
Put together without sound.
It's
a very short one.
Could be connected to your format choice.
Maybe because that's what I did. I didn't get to that screen.
I use Super, which is this screen, and there's I can't see here.
No, with the balls, the icons with the balls.
No, but the icons with the balls are download helper, which when Alfredo made his presentation, downloaded the file perfectly. Now this week they announced an update, and now they offer to download and convert.
And that's what I did.
What happened in my computer was that when I tried to download and convert with them, they finally take me to a screen where I have to register and I have to pay to convert, and I don't want to do that.
No,
so you simply download with them, and then disconnecting from the internet if you like. You can use Super, or perhaps convert to DVD, which I have not tried. With Super, and you get a screen that says only video, only audio, or both.
Right, yes.
And then you got the options.
Well,
so you have to open Super first.
No, it's the same, really. You have to save the video from YouTube onto your disk, and then whenever you want, you convert it. That's what happens in my computer.
Yeah, first you download the video from YouTube, and then...
When you follow the steps, then you get the shortcuts.
No, I think the question was with your steps, that was not...
What we learned from this lesson. Sometimes you don't get sidetracked by these things, because I needed to click to download, and I shouldn't have downloaded and converted to the same.
Yeah. The fact is there are many steps involved. Yes, we are not technicians. We don't know about some things that are connected to formats and these kind of things. And usually working with videos, it's very, it's quite problematic. Yes, it's Super Video Converter. I mean, you just Google it and it will pop up. And Super is free, it's freeware. It's not, it's not an evaluation version, it's just download and use. Okay? Well, your name is?
Diana.
No, yes, sorry, but I want to...
No, that's mine.
Oh, it's yours, Diana. Well, she doesn't know if it works. She doesn't know. She said, I trust Alfredo.
But it doesn't play in a DVD player. I could play it at home with my computer. Without audio. Without audio. That's the one I did.
All right.
But then one other thing that I don't understand is why I have the icon coming up in the middle of the video. And there was nothing about registering or...
Okay. We will try to see which one.
Okay. Works on my computer, so I...
We have this...
It's a word.
Should I
It's really short. Very short. Yes, fun.
Short and sweet.
Yes, that's the idea.
Yes. MPEG.
It was downloaded from YouTube?
Yes.
Good.
Into MPEG. That's the extension.
Yeah, no, but this is parts. Yes.
Well, no sound, but a round of applause because she could do it. Alright. Okay. Now, a good activity for this is you look at the picture and you write present continuous. What is she doing? How old is she? How old do you think she is? Where does her boyfriend live?
No boy.
It's perfect. Instead of using flashcards, you show them the video, right?
Doing breaking, by the way.
Okay.
Doing breaking.
And well, let's see the whole screen.
You see the icon? Why is that?
Unregistered.
Unregistered. Because you use the new version. This was
What you were telling us
But
about.
that's download helper. I didn't get to that step. If my computer wouldn't even allow me without the
I don't
register
know
version.
how I can.
So I'll try. No, it's this week. They decided to offer
When
conversion.
did you download it?
It's
No,
not
what
downloaded.
when? It's yesterday. I did it yesterday.
That's it.
It was
Because there is a new version of the download helper, which also converts the file, and probably you have to pay for it.
I haven't.
So this is the punishment for not buying.
I missed this option and I only got to the one where I had to pay and I quit.
All right.
With
That was by
super,
accident.
the super can convert it.
Is anyone good at lip reading? Well, thank you very much. I think for time constraints we won't be able to show what you've done, but I will be getting your emails. I got some emails. I got an email from someone, I don't know if that person is here, saying that she couldn't find the encode button of Super. It was you. You found it.
Yes, I could.
What was the resolution of the screen? Well, because sometimes the resolution is too high and the screen doesn't fit the screen and the button is not there. Okay? So well, always remember the PPD. Patience, persistence, and persevere, and you will succeed. Well, now it will be Gladys' turn, so thank you very much. Okay? It was quite brief, quite, a flash, so please email me with your comments, with your queries, try things out, make mistakes, and you will learn.
While you're ready, well, I'd like to say officially hello to everyone. Before I get started with my topic, I'd like to say thanks for Phil because
I look like De La Rua.
Last time was incredibly useful for me, and I'd like to share why. I love my notebook for planning, for preparing classes, for correcting. I know, I think 99% of my students have access to computers with internet connection, not maybe wideband, but they have access to computers, and they love using them in general. But I work in schools where there are no computers available. This is not absolutely true. In one of the schools we have 2 labs, but they are hidden somewhere in the building. I can't. It's true, I've been working there for over a year, and I know the area where I'm told they are, and I've been told that if I want to have access to them, I have to write a whole project explaining how I'm going to use them, when I'd like to use them. Then I have to sort of book the lab, persuade the lab assistant, as Marina explained to us. It was very funny because I tried talking to him and I got the same reaction Marina had told us about. So I felt someone had warned me about this. Okay, if I get through all these steps, I might take my student to the computer lab one day. And in the other one, we do have a lab which is occasionally available, but it will be closed for over a month now because the server has collapsed and I don't know what. Now, I do believe that using computers can make a huge difference in the teaching of English. It's not entertainment. I think what you're going to do is just for the fun of it. Well, you can suggest it as extension to your class, but I would devote time in my lesson. And in the case of what Alfredo told me, this allowed me to bring the YouTube world, the video world into my classroom because there is a TV I can have access to and there is a DVD. And I have never found out how to do it. And now I can plug my PMP into the TV, the entries for audio and video, and it has no cost. And there is a blog on the web by a Brazilian teacher where he produces video lessons based on scenes from very recent movies. Last week there was, the last entry was for Twilight, Vampire Slayer? Yes. Okay, he had created a scene and he said we can practice can and versatility with this. And he put the video clip, the handout, the answers. So with his tips, I downloaded the video, I printed the handout, and I was fascinated. And my students thought it was very cool and I had worked a lot for that. Actually, the teacher in Brazil had worked a lot.